All right, everybody, welcome to Auto. So we here come with another day. So we got this 2019 Honda Civic. That's a 1.5 liter, and it come up with a air condition problem. So it's a 1234 YF in this car, and we work on those. If you guys have any 1234 gas related car, you can just come to our shop. We'll fix that. And this come up with a front condenser and a high pressure line. So we already ordered it. It's gonna be here by noon today. And this Audi 2017 Audi A4 Prestige, it come up for a starter problem. We already ripped apart half of the engine stand. So we take apart the thing, it's lowered down from this side, and we take out the starter, and it's out right now. So now we're just waiting for the new piece. And here we got this 2017 Ford EcoSport. So this thing comes up here. Customer try to change the spark plugs, and they end up breaking down one of the spark plug in in the engine. So it's right sitting on top of the cylinder. That's a three-cylinder engine. Very rare on the Ford. So we're going to rip apart the head to take that thing out and reseal the head gasket on this car. I don't know when it's going to be done. We're just waiting for the parts. It's a long wait because this is a rare engine, so we don't get the parts so easy. And next thing, again, like BMW specialist. So we got this 2016 535. It's an inline six with a twin turbo, and we're going to change the oil on this. And let me show you. So whenever we do any of the oil changes, we mandatory use the liquid moly. And this car takes 0-30, as you can see. So we're going to put the 0-30 in the car. It goes by the spec. So it doesn't take 5, it takes more than 5. So we have another one here. So any car take more than 5 liter. That oil is most likely liquid moly we put any BMW, Mercedes. So again, this thing is 2021. Look at the beauty of the rims here. It's 2021 Hyundai Sonata, Elantra. Come with a satin black color with the satin black wheels on the chrome. Like this is the first Elantra I see with a perfectly fine rims. It matches to the car because car has some of the front chrome parts which matches to the wheels. And oil change on this car is done. Now it's a fluid time. Like most of our regular clients, that's our regular clients. So most of our customers, they know like we carry all the variety of OEM fluids. For this car, we are going to put the Hyundai white fluid, what it takes. Let me show you. So that's how we're gonna go with this. It's a CVT transmission. Do not play with knockoff brands on your transmission oil. It's a advice for all my customers and my new customers. So always try to put the right CVT fluid in your CVT car. So we have a wide range of CVTs, and we do have a SP42 for older Elantras. So we're going to do that today, and let's take a look outside what we have today. So it sounds like a Beamer Mafia today. We got this 2014, comes with the engine knob. It's shutting down after a couple of while. And other car, we got this 2011 Ascent. It comes with a alignment issue. And the wheel on this car is bent. As you can see, it's turning outside. So we're going to fix this too. And this is 2013. Yeah, this comes with the engine knob too. So we're going to fix this. And we got this Mustang. It's 3.7 liter V6, and this came in for transmission cooler lines. We're going to fix today, and this 335 is almost ready. Just left to do the car wash. Engine wash is already done on this car, and the battery sensor is already installed on this car, so it's ready to move apart. Let me show you the front how engine looks when we done on any BMWs. How those engine they looks like. So we detail it, try to make it like look so good. See this? That's how we work. So we work most of the engine stuff here, water pump. We did the oil filter housing. We did the wall cover on this. A couple more things we did on this car. It's a beauty right now. It's 2010, 335, inline six. So we already fixed everything. So it's ready just to get a nice wash like a baby. And this thing, we're going to clean it up. One of the rear rim, right side, caliper is seized. So we're going to change the caliper 2 on this car to make it run back on the road. See the dust? We'll put the before and after on this. Once it's done, it's ready to go pick it up by tomorrow. So customer is just coming tomorrow to pick it up. And we have much more. So after the Beamer, we got this brand new Kia Sorento. It's only driven like 200 kilometers, and we are going to do the safety on this. It's a brand new, like, I never see this before. It's 2025 Kia Sorento. So let's go for a test drive. If you talk about the front screens, Kia is just beating up, and they have a new feature. While I'm backing up, if they see anything coming up on the back, the steering vibrates. I don't know. I just see this first time. Okay, so we're going to make a test drive on this. So before we go for any of the car certification, it's mandatory to do a test drive on the car before we proceeding to check the brake pads, tire depth, anything under the car. So what actual test drive means, it's a mandatory part of any of the new drive-on safeties. When you do a test drive, if you got any humming noise for the bearing or any tire rod end link, sway bar links, suspension, all those noises got caught whilst you do the test drive. So it should be more than 40 kilometers per hour on speed, and we do the test drives. Most of the car like 70 to 80 speed, so that way we can just check if everything works well. Well, that's a brand new car, but still I'm doing a part of a safety which is mandatory before any vehicle got certified. So if you guys do have any newer vehicles, they don't need much to check. Like this car, it's absolutely brand new. They just got it yesterday evening, and this car is only, right now it's 252 Ks. So they basically driven from the dealership to home. They pick it up from Mississauga, Ontario, and the customer is from here in London. So that's what they did. And now we going to do a certification for Uber, because they used to have the 2017 Dodge Journey before than this, and they was working on a Uber on a full-time position, and this car they're going to do the same thing. So if you guys think to do some Uber on your part-time or full-time, you can just give us a call for any car certifications. We are available for that anytime. But for now, I'm just enjoying it. Like, I literally see the interior trim, the door trim here, even the air vents, they are perfectly, like, so good. And the smell, the brand new smell, the perfume they put before they deliver the car, it's so good. And the best part of this car is it's a 7-seater. So there's a tons of space in the back. Like, guy like me can sit on the back too. But for the all the way back seat, it's little congested, but that's real good in the price. Like, they're real budget friendly with the price. Most of the Kias and Hyundais, it's like a Palisade on the Hyundai Palisade size. Yeah, but this is little premium level up on this thing, because Kia is much better than those ones. So we got back to the shop, and you see this all BMWs here and a couple of Mercedes here. And now we're going to put the car inside, and let's see how we're gonna roll the safety on this car. So that's the knock in the engine. Okay. So, metal shavings. Yep. All metal shavings and noise, as you can see on the engine. So we're going to take apart the front top to see why this thing is coming up. Alrighty, so we got this 2021 Durango. It's over 300 Ks on it. Most driven car in 4 years, in my opinion. So it's a RT. Look at that red interior. It's so good. It's a regular client, and he's with us almost from 3 years. Came up for oil change, and the front ball joints on this is a performance one. So every oil change, it needs a lube. Also, the brake service on this. That's what we're gonna do today. And after that, we are going to kick this BMW inside, which comes with 63 codes. And after that, there is a Jeep. That's 2017 Wrangler. It's a Trail Sahara edition. So this one have a problem in the rear def. So the pinion on the rear def is making some strong jerks when you go from reverse to drive. So in order to do that, we need to take apart the rear def to check what's happening with the car. But for now, we are going to kick it in this monster. That's 5.7 liter Hemi RT. That's the beast, actually. So this one, we're gonna put it inside. This one is ready to pick it up by the customer. Only the O2 sensor wires need to connect again, as they are burnt when we was fixing the front flex on this RDX. And right over here, it's a Nissan Murano. Came up for a brake job. So we're going to do the oil change and the brake service on it. So if you do guys have any of the similar cars and you want us to fix your vehicles, feel free to give us a call at 647-708-1300, or you can just come to our shop at 241 Horton Street. We're happy to help you out. And to get more videos about my shop and how we work on the cars, you need to subscribe and press the bell icon. Never said that before. So just subscribe and press the bell icon for coming next videos. Thank you so much.